To successfully integrate Afterpay with Shopify, start by understanding the basics of both platforms. Afterpay is a payment service that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments, while Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform for creating and managing online stores. First, ensure your Shopify store meets Afterpay's eligibility criteria, which includes having a valid business address and a clear refund and return policy. Next, sign up for an Afterpay merchant account on their website and follow the prompts to create your account. Once you have your Afterpay account, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Settings section. Click on Payment Providers and select Afterpay from the list of available options. You will be redirected to the Afterpay website to authorize the connection between your Shopify store and Afterpay. After authorizing the connection, you will be redirected back to your Shopify admin panel where you can configure the Afterpay payment settings. This includes setting the payment schedule and specifying which products or collections are eligible for Afterpay. To display the Afterpay payment option on your product pages, navigate to the Product Settings section and select the Payment Options tab. Check the box next to Afterpay to enable it as a payment option. You can also customize the Afterpay payment messaging and buttons to match your store's branding. Best practices for Afterpay Shopify integration include clearly communicating the payment terms and conditions to your customers, and ensuring that your store's refund and return policy is consistent with Afterpay's policies. It's also important to test the integration thoroughly to ensure that it's working correctly and that customers can successfully complete purchases using Afterpay. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Afterpay with your Shopify store and provide your customers with a convenient and flexible payment option. This can help increase sales and improve customer satisfaction, ultimately driving growth and revenue for your business.